3 of our lecture about arithmetic sequence. Our example last time, if you go back to it, you will see that the pattern or the number is increasing. Now look here, 10, 6, 2. What do you think happens or is happening with the number? It's decreasing. Okay, so 10, you decrease it by 4, so it is 6. So when we say decrease, the pattern now is you subtract 4. How about 6 and 2? Also. So our D now is negative 4. Now, does it show pattern? Yes. Why? Because it's the same D all throughout, even if it happens to be negative 4. Now, let's look the first term. Again, this is your first term, second, and third. So I'll put here 10, 6, 2. First term, second term, third term, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. Again, what happens? You subtract. That's our D. Subtract 4 or negative 4. So this is also negative 4. What will happen now to 2? 2 and then negative 4 now becomes negative 2. How about negative 2 and then negative 4, that is now negative 6. Negative 6 and negative 4, that's negative 10. Negative 10 and negative 4 is negative 14. Okay, so you subtract. When you say subtract, that's negative 4. You add negative 4. Now, what is the common difference again? Negative 4. What is the first term? 10. So what is the equation? Again, what is our formula? A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 d. Although our d is negative, so I suggest you put it inside the parentheses. Okay, for now, again, what did I tell you? You only change a sub 1 and d. So what is a sub 1 here? It's 10 plus n minus 1. Since our difference is negative, I suggest you put it inside the parentheses. And this is our equation. Now, using that equation, we could now find the 12th term. So we're looking for the 12th term. So this is 10 plus 12 minus 1 times negative 4. Bring down 10 plus 12 minus 1 is 11. Okay, now let's multiply this. 11 times negative 4 is negative 44. Okay, so we could just rewrite this one as 10 minus 44 because you multiply. Positive times negative is negative. So what is this now? 44 minus 10, that's 34. Which one is bigger? Negative 44. So you follow that sign. So the 12th term is negative 44. Now let's go to the next. The next is the 36th term. So A sub 36 is equal to 10 plus 36 minus 1 times negative 4. Again, same process. 36 minus 1 is 35 times negative 4. Okay? We just bring down 10. 35 times 4. So 35 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Carry 2. 4 times 3, 12, 13, 14. 140. But it's negative times positive. So it's negative 140. Now, different sign, what do? We subtract. So 140 minus 10 is equal to 130. Which one is bigger? 140. So you carry that sign. This is your 36th term.